In 2024, luxurious motorhomes are more than just vehicles. They're mobile retreats, offering comfort, style and convenience on the go. But what makes these motorhomes so special? How do they compare to traditional RVs? And what features can you expect to find in the latest models? Join us as we explore the world of luxurious motorhomes in 2024. Discover the innovations, the designs, and the experiences that await those who choose to travel in luxury on wheels. Get ready to embark on a journey of luxury and comfort, unlike any other. Rapido C03. The Rapido C03 is a luxurious motorhome built on a Peugeot Boxer base. Despite its compact size of 6.19 meters, it offers a spacious interior with LED lighting. The kitchen includes a 140-litre fridge freezer, and the washroom features a fixed shower and toilet. The highlight is the full-sized garage storage underneath, maximising space and comfort. Priced at around $90,510, it's one of the more affordable options, making it a compelling choice in the market. Leica Krios H5109. The Leica Krios H5109 is a top-tier A-Class motorhome, winning awards for both Best A-Class and Best Luxury Motorhome in 2024. This premium model from the Italian manufacturer offers luxurious features and advanced technology. Built on a Fiat Ducato chassis, it boasts a large living area with L-shaped seating, a well-equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, a spacious bathroom, and a fixed rear bedroom with ample storage. Priced at around $199,000, it's a high-end choice for those with a bigger budget seeking luxury and comfort. Bürstner Liceo TD Lounge. The Bürstner Liceo TD Lounge is a concept motorhome that has been voted the most innovative for 2024. It features a unique pop-out feature, expanding the width by 65 centimeters when stationary, reminiscent of classic American RVs. Built on a Fiat Ducato chassis, it is expected to have a spacious interior, drawing inspiration from Bürstner's Liceo TD 684 G Harmony Line model. While the official price is yet to be confirmed, it is estimated to be around $120,595, offering a blend of innovation and comfort. Rapido C03. The Rapido C03, a new model for 2024, offers a spacious and luxurious experience. Built on a Peugeot Boxer chassis, it features a large bathroom at the rear, an electric drop-down bed, and a renovated kitchen and living area. The interior, spread over 6.69 meters, creates a homey feel with all the comforts and luxuries. Priced at around $94,952, it's one of the more affordable options on the list. Voted as Practical Motor, Home's best motorhome under 7 meters for 2024. The 606F combines comfort and practicality seamlessly. Rolling Homes Darwin. The Rolling Homes Darwin motorhome, built on a Volkswagen LWB Crafter base, offers a luxurious experience in a compact package. It features a range of amenities including a 6.5 touchscreen with APP Connect, electric windows and mirrors, a lounge that converts into a double bed, a separate washroom and shower, and a well-equipped kitchen with Corian worktops. The interior is highlighted by LED strips and spotlights, adding a touch of luxury and spaciousness. While the price for the 2024 model has not been released, it is estimated to be around $95,206, making it a competitive choice in its class. LD Encore 295. The LD Encore 295 is a fantastic choice for couples, featuring a new paint job and interior refresh for 2024. This motorhome offers a wraparound lounge at the rear that converts into either 2 single beds or 1 double, a spacious fixed bathroom, and a well-equipped kitchen. Built on a Fiat Ducato Series 8 chassis with a 140 bhp Fiat Multijet 3 Euro 6D final engine, it boasts excellent fuel consumption and emissions. Priced at around $101,666, it's a premium option for those looking for luxury on the road. Swift Voyager 540. The Swift Voyager 540 offers a luxurious experience for families or those who love to host. Built on a Ford Transit chassis with a Euro 6D 2.0-litre TDCi EcoBlue engine, it boasts a well-equipped kitchen, a drop-down bed over the driver's cabin, and a spacious fixed bedroom at the rear. The flexible living dining area, featuring a revolving captain chair and a rise and fall table, adds to its appeal. priced at around $88,690, it's one of the more affordable options on the list, making it a great choice for those seeking luxury on a budget. We hope you've been inspired by the innovation and luxury these vehicles offer. Which feature of these motorhomes impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy travels in the lap of luxury.